So the first thing that you need to do is go to Open, and then open up the Revit file that I emailed you. So it should be the Ellen's example sheets all. Once you open that, first thing I would like you to do is click on the little 3D view icon. It's a little doghouse up at the top. You might already be on that 3D view, so if nothing happens, it's because you're there. If you click on your scroll wheel and zoom out, I just want to make sure that you could see the house on the site. Okay. The next thing I want to check is that you can load in a component. So go to Architecture tab, click on Component, go to Load Family, and then this is really important that we have this US Imperial Components library. So it starts with annotations and goes all the way to Windows. Within each of those, there should be multiple folders with different Revit files, and you can kind of see. So that's really, really important that we have all of these. And then the next thing I want to double check is, can you actually put a component in? So go to Furniture and then grab the TV stand and hit Open. And then you can kind of just plop it off to the side of the house and hit Escape on your keyboard. So just to make sure that you can load in a component. Then the final thing I would like you to check is going to the big R and printing to Adobe PDF printer. So there's a few steps to this. So click on Adobe PDF, go to Selected View Sheets, hit Select, uncheck Views, and then hit Check All. Hit OK. Then go to Setup, change it to 11 by 17, and hit OK. And then the last thing is to make sure that they're combining into a single file. So make sure that's your last step. Click on that and hit OK. If anything pops up, that's okay. Just hit Close, hit OK. Save your file. I'm just going to do this as a test. Hit Save. And then if this just stays there and doesn't create your PDF, that's when we know Adobe PDF is not working. So if it doesn't work and it just stays on the screen like it did this year, if you can download Primo PDF to the computer, all of the computers, that would be great. So yeah, this is what happens this year. Adobe PDF Reader doesn't work, so it just stays on the screen and it will never open. The end goal, if it does work, it would open up Adobe PDF and you would see all of these sheets. So I'll click through them. So this is what you should see. But I had to use Primo PDF to get this because Adobe PDF Reader doesn't work. Well, let me know if you have any